What's going on, guys? Got this forward control on so I could check for clearance for the exhaust here. Pretty good. So I'm gonna have that continue on straight. And then that piece I had to cut because it didn't work there. Weld that after. There it is, guys. Got it tacked up. Got my dumps ready. They're dumped there. I think I'm gonna leave that one how it is because it's pretty good distance and stuff. So I think I'm just gonna leave it. I got these fishtail pipes, so I have one over there somewhere. I'll figure how long I want it. And then this guy here, I'm gonna figure out how high I want it. I'm gonna have that coming across that way. So one there and one down there. It's gonna look pretty badass to me, boys. All right, get her done. All right, boys. There it is. Gonna cut that off there. And that off in between those two lines there, and it should match up. I'm gonna leave it a little bit longer, obviously, just in case. You can always grind it or cut it again, and then that'll be that one. And this one just got a cut there. If I need to shorten it a bit, I can. I'll see once I can cut it. Once I cut it down. Get her done. Ran into a snag here. Well, not really a snag. I knew it would. I knew I'd need to do this because I gotta shorten the radius a bit. That's why I left. That's why I cut that piece a little bit longer, so I could see. I'll show you right here, actually. Now that makes the pipe go up on an angle. So I want to shorten the radius, cut it down a bit, and where it is there should join straight. So we'll see. And then that's just an easy tack there, and I'll work on putting the bracket after. Alright, boys, there it is. Still haven't done the brackets yet, but that's how it's gonna look. I think it's pretty good. Everything's just spot welded right now. That's gonna be fun welding because it's thin metal. I'm not really that good at thin metal, so we'll see how that goes. But I put the air cleaner on too, just to kind of see what it looks like. See what it looks like on there. Yeah, it looks pretty good to me, man. Eyeballed most of it. And supposed to go with the flow of the stance of the bike. It's hard to tell right now, but get her done.